Athens, the capital of Greece, is a charming city known for its rich history and stunning scenery. Located in the heart of Greece, Athens offers travelers a unique combination of ancient attractions and modern charm. Tourism in Athens thrives. Tourists from all over the world come to see such iconic landmarks as the Acropolis, the Parthenon, and the Temple of Zeus the Olympic. These ancient ruins give a glimpse into the glorious past of Athens and are a must-see attraction. Travelers can also immerse themselves in the vibrant atmosphere of Athens by strolling through lively areas such as Plaka and Monastirac. These areas are filled with charming shopping streets, cafes, and traditional cafes where you can enjoy delicious Greek cuisine. For those who want a comprehensive view of Athens, excursions about the history and culture of the city are available. Whether exploring archaeological sites or visiting world-class museums such as the National Archaeological Museum or the Acropolis Museum, everyone will find something for themselves. Athens is becoming increasingly popular as a holiday destination due to its warm climate, friendly locals, and variety of entertainment. Tourists can take an active vacation in the open air, for example, climb Lycabid Mountain, which offers a panoramic view of the city, or relax on one of the picturesque beaches of Athens along the coast. Before planning a visit to Athens, it is always useful to read reviews and consult guides that provide valuable information on housing, transport options, and local customs. This will help ensure an interesting and enjoyable trip to this charming city. In conclusion, Athens is a beautiful city that offers the perfect combination of ancient history and modern charm. No wonder so many people decide to visit this wonderful place with its stunning scenery, rich cultures,